The question everyone wants to know the answer to: can I get pregnant while I'm breastfeeding? Yep. Hi, I'm Abby, a certified lactation educator and a nurse. Just because you're breastfeeding does not mean that you can't get pregnant. Let me say that again for the people in the back. Just because you're breastfeeding does not mean that you can't get pregnant. Breastfeeding and fertility are honestly different for everyone. Some people could be exclusively breastfeeding and their menstrual cycle comes back in 6 weeks. You could be exclusively breastfeeding and you cut out a feeding or two and your menstrual cycle comes back. You could exclusively breastfeed and you don't get your menstrual cycle back until you've completely weaned your baby off breast milk. Or you could just get pregnant and never actually see your menstrual cycle come back. That's a scary one. But for educational purposes, let's talk about how breastfeeding can cause a type of natural infertility. Breastfeeding keeps estrogen levels low, which can prevent ovulation. And if you're not ovulating, you can't get pregnant. Again, this is true for most people, but not all. It is worth noting that the frequency of breastfeeds is proportionate to the risk of ovulation. So if you're breastfeeding frequently, the risk of ovulation is pretty low. Studies have shown that women who breastfeed their babies at least 8 times in 24 hours don't ovulate. But other studies show that women still ovulate even if they breastfeed their baby 15 times a day. So all of that's to say is, you just never know. Invest in a fertility monitor. Good luck, happy nursing, and follow me.